My name is Hussain Javed and you are watching my channel Education Vessel. Today we have to prove that pi is equal to 22 over 7. For that purpose, you have to know that circumference is equal to 3 times diameter plus 1 over 7 of diameter. What is the meaning of this equation? Let's see. Here is a circle. If we move on the circumference of the circle, say this is 1 diameter, and move from here 1 diameter more. For example, here is second diameter, 1 more diameter, and move from here to here, this point, another diameter. And here is a small portion is left, that is the 7th portion of the 1 diameter. Okay, this is known as 1 over 7 diameter. Okay, it means that on the circumference of the circle you got 3 diameters, 1, 2, 3, 3 times diameter, and the small portion left, that is the 7th portion of the 1 diameter, that is 1 over 7 diameter. If you add them, 1, 2, 3 plus 1 over 7 diameter, you will get this equation: circumference is equal to 3 times diameter plus 1 over 7 of diameter. Okay, now you have to add them. 7 3 times 21d diameter plus 1 diameter. Now you have to add them: 21 diameter plus 1 diameter, 22 diameter over 7. Now you have to divide by diameter on both sides. Okay, like this: 22 diameter over, cancel diameter with diameters, circumference over diameter is equal to 22 over 7, that is equal to pi. You can write it like this: pi is equal to 22 over 7. Now this is proved. That is a very simple proof. Okay, let's understand it with a specific example. Okay, here we have a circle, and here is the diameter, and this diameter of the circle, for example, if the diameter of the circle is 21, diameter of the circle is 21, and then circumference of the circle will be 66. Okay, if the diameter of the circle is 21, the circumference of the circle will be 66. Circumference is 66 and diameter is 21. Okay, if you take the ratio C over D is equal to 66 over 21, C over D is equal to, you know that 7 times 21 and 322 times 66, you will get 22 over 7, that is equal to pi. Okay, this specific example gives the clear idea to this proof. Okay, if you got any question, please write in the comment box or send me an email mentioned in the description. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.